To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, let us see one more problem in which they have asked us to prepare the cash flow before depreciation after tax also, and in which we have to calculate payback period method also. ABC Electronics Limited is planned to introduce new mechanization to replace their labor force. So they want to remove the employees, and instead of the employees they want to bring some new machines. Two alternatives are available. So two different machines, that is machine X and machine Y is there. Advise the management. So in this problem we have to advise, very important, to select the machine under payback period method. So two machines they have given, which is the best machine we have to find out. So here directly they have not given us what we want, so they have given some additional informations. Based on that we have to find out CF BD80 because in PBP method we want to find CFBD80. Now let us check cost of machine they have given. So this cost of machine is nothing but it is the original investment. Estimated life of machine, it is 10 years and it is 8 years. Estimated scrap savings, so this is savings. So 1 lakh, 1000 and 1000. So scrap savings, okay, it is 1000 and 1000 per year. Estimated cost of materials per annum 2000 and 3000. Maintenance cost per annum they have given 2500 and 3100. Additional cost of supervision they have given 1500 and 2000. Estimated savings in wages, so savings, underline the word savings, 10,000 and 12,500. Depreciation will be taken on straight line basis. Why here depreciation and all they have given? Because when we here they have given savings and expenses also. So when we minus savings and expenses, we get profit. And that profit what we get is CFBDBT, means cash flow before depreciation before tax. So but we want CFBD80. So BT means before tax, AT means after tax, means after deducting tax. But tax cannot be deducted directly. Before deducting the tax, first we need to deduct depreciation. When we deduct depreciation from CFBDBT, it becomes CFADBT, cash flow after depreciation before tax. Now from this we can deduct tax. When we deduct tax, it becomes CFAD80, but we want CFBD80. So again for that we need to add depreciation. That time we will get CFBD80. So based on the CFBD80, then it is an even or uneven case. So it will be even case only because only 1 year per year, only 1 year they have given. When they have given only 1 year, it's an even case. So case number 1 will be applicable. Based on that we need to calculate PBP. If you have not understood, don't worry, when we solve the problem you will understand. Now this is the format. So it will be calculation of CFBD80. We all know what is CFBD80, cash flow before depreciation after tax. So it will be particulars, amount, it will be machine X and machine Y amount. So now first always let us take the savings. Okay, first let us always take the savings, income first. So we have estimated scrap savings. So first will be scrap savings. For machine X it is 1000, machine Y also 1000. Next we have estimated savings wages, that is also savings. So wages savings. Machine X is 10,000, machine Y is 12,500. 10,000 and 12,500. Now there is no any additional savings. So if we add, we will get total savings. So 10,000 plus 1,000 will be 11,000. 12,500 plus 1,000 will be 13,500. This we will consider as A element. Now expenses. Expenses. So what and all the expenses we have? Cost of machine is not an expenses because it is an investment. It is not an expense, it is investment. Next, estimated life, that is not an expense. Estimated scrap is a savings. Estimated cost of materials, so it is an expense. Cost of materials. So cost of material, X machine is 2,000, Y machine is 3,000. So 2,000, 3,000. Next we have maintenance cost per annum. Maintenance cost. How much is the maintenance cost? It is 2,500 and 3,100. 2,500, 3,100. Next we have additional cost of supervision. So supervision cost, it is 1,500 and 2,000. So only that is the cost. So now when you add these three items, you will get total cost. So 2,000 plus 2,500 plus 1,500, it will be 6,000 rupees. Here 3,000 plus 3,100 plus 2,000 will be 8,100 rupees. Now we need to know the profit. What kind of a profit? It is CFBDBT. So this is B element. From A element subtract B element. So 11,000 minus 6,000 will be 5,000. 13,500 minus 8,100 will be 5,400. This is CF. Okay, 5,400. Sorry. This is CFBDBT. From that first we need to deduct depreciation. Less depreciation. Now what is the value of machinery? Machinery X is 5,000. So depreciation separately I will calculate. Calculation of depreciation. The formula is what? Cost minus scrap value divided by life of the asset, or else, okay, if they have given percentage, cost into percentage, if they have given percentage. But in this problem they have not given percentage, they have given life of the asset and cost of the asset. So it must first let us calculate for machine X, then later on we will calculate for machine Y. So now machine X, the total cost of machinery is 50,000 and life is 10 years. There is no scrap value. Scrap value kottilla. So cost is how much? 50,000 machine X minus 0. Scrap value is 0. Life is 10 years. So the depreciation will be 50,000. Depreciation is 50,000. Machine Y, let us check. Machine Y cost is 40,000 and life of the asset is 8 years. So machine Y 40,000, scrap value is 0, divided by 8 years, it will be 5,000. So machine X depreciation is 5,000, machine Y depreciation is 5,000. So 5,000 and 5,000. So this should be subtracted. When you subtract depreciation from CFBDBT, we will get CFADBT after depreciation before tax. So first will be 0, second one will be 400. From this we have to deduct tax. So what is the tax amount? They have told assume a tax rate of 50%. Tax rate is 50%. Tax at the rate of 50%. It is 0. 50% of 400 is 200. When you deduct this 200 from 400, this will be the value. And this is CFADAT. Cash flow after depreciation after tax. But we want what? To calculate payback period method, we need CFBDAT. Cash flow before depreciation after tax. So for this we have to add depreciation. That time it will become CFBDAT. So depreciation we have already calculated. The same amount we shall add. 5,000 and 5,000. When you add, you will get 5,000 and 5,200. This is the cash flow before depreciation after tax. This is what we want. Now we can calculate PPP. So it is case number 1, E1. So the formula is original investment divided by annual cash inflow. So separately I will calculate for machine X and machine Y. Separately we will calculate. Now machine X original investment or cost of the machinery. Machine X is 50,000, machine Y is 40,000. Machine X is 50,000, machine Y is 40,000. So divided by, what is the annual cash inflow? Here it is 5,000 and for machine Y it is 5,200. So divide 50,000 divided by 5,000 will be 10. Answer is 10 years. Next, 40,000 divided by 5,200 will be 7.69 years. And in question they have even told that we need to advise to the management which is the best machinery. Always when you are advised, consider that machinery which will get returns at early stage or at less amount of time. Here returns we are getting completely after 10 years. But here we are getting in 7.69 years only. So this project is advisable. So you will write that it is advisable for the company to invest on machine Y as it has less PBP, payback period. In bracket you can write 7.69 years. ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀವೇನು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಮಯ ಹಿಡಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಟರ್ನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಸಮಯ ಹಿಡಿಸುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಷಿನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ 10 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಕಾಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7.69 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅದು ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಬೇಗ ರಿಕವರ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದೇ ಮಷಿನ್ನ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಬರೆದಿರೋದು. Hope you have understood how to solve this type of problem. This is a different problem compared to the other 4 problems. If you have any doubt while solving yourself, please put your doubts and queries in the comment box so that I'll respond to your doubts and queries as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video. If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.